Welcome to Investing Path, where we light the torch for your journey through the financial wilderness. In the intricate labyrinth of the global economy, every turn can lead to prosperity or peril. But worry not, for today we stand at the crossroads of history, learning from the past to fortify our future. Prepare to embark on an odyssey of understanding, to claim your stake in a world brimming with uncertainty. In the mist-shrouded chronicles of finance, each calamity has eclipsed its predecessor in severity. We need only to peer back to 1998 and 2008 to witness the harbingers of a potential maelstrom that could dwarf the capacity of our monetary sentinels, the central banks. With each passing moment, we edge closer to an economic event horizon, beyond which lies uncharted territory. Imagine the year 1998. The financial world quivers on the brink, trembling hours away from a complete shutdown. Triggered by Russia's unforeseen default, the contagion spreads, arriving at the doorsteps of long-term capital management. There, a colossal $1.4 trillion in derivatives teeters precariously. Yet, what brought this titan to its knees wasn't a direct hit, but rather the shockwaves of market panic that cause investors to liquidate en masse. The salvation? A lifeboat comprised of a multi-billion-dollar injection orchestrated by the Federal Reserve. Fast forward a decade to 2008, Lehman Brothers falls. The dominoes of finance commence their descent, threatening to pull venerable institutions like Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs into the abyss. The Federal Reserve intervenes once more, halting the cascade. Yet the pattern is clear. With each crisis, the life-saving measures swell in size. In these turbulent seas, where does one seek refuge? Look to the havens that remain unscathed by the storms of liquidity crises, assets unbound by the fragility of financial institutions. Consider the tangibility of land, the luster of gold and silver, the timelessness of fine art. Ponder on the natural resources that fuel our civilization: water, energy, oil. If equities beckon you, steer towards companies anchored in these elemental commodities. Now, if you're finding value in this discourse, do consider subscribing to Investing Path. Join our community of astute investors who navigate the markets with foresight and finesse. It's vital to understand that the notion of currency itself is evolving before our eyes. Take the US dollar, a digital entity since the late 20th century. Yet, recent geopolitical upheavals and sanctions reveal a fragility in this digital fortress. Overreach in economic sanctions can backfire, propelling nations to seek alternatives to the established financial order. Imagine a Saudi prince reflecting on the frozen fortunes of Russian oligarchs and pondering the security of their own wealth. When countries like the US and Canada wield the power to immobilize assets, it prompts a global revaluation of trust in traditional currencies. We're witnessing a geopolitical chess match where sanctions lead to countermoves. Russia restricts exports of pivotal metals, sending the price of nickel and the batteries it composes skyrocketing. And as London's metal exchange reels, a Chinese billionaire watches billions vanish, a stark reminder that in this global game, unintended casualties are inevitable. Pivoting to the east, we scrutinize the gold reserves of superpowers like Russia and China, whose stockpiles have ballooned exponentially. Yet, despite the rumors, replacing the US dollar as the world's reserve currency isn't as straightforward as amassing gold. It demands a robust, mature bond market underpinned by the rule of law, elements where the yuan and the ruble are yet to mature. The world, dear viewer, is a financial tapestry woven with complexity. As you venture forth in your investment endeavors, arm yourself with the knowledge that will shield your assets from the unforeseen tempests of tomorrow. In the age of information, mastery over data is akin to alchemy. With the right insight, the base metals of raw data transmute into the gold of informed decision-making. This is where Investing Path steps in, offering you the compass to traverse the topography of terabytes, helping you discern patterns in the pandemonium. Remember the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s and the real estate surge that followed? These events are not mere footnotes in history, but chapters of a continuing saga. The innovators of Silicon Valley, once pioneers in garage startups, now command economies rivaling entire nations. Real estate, historically a bedrock of wealth, is being reshaped by trends in remote work and urban exodus. As these sectors evolve, So must our strategies. The keen investor observes the winds of change and adjusts their sails accordingly. The modern investor must be agile, pivoting with the pace of technological breakthroughs and geopolitical shifts. This agility is not innate. It is cultivated through education and engagement with a community of like-minded individuals. Here at Investing Path, we are that community. We share insights, discuss strategies, and grow together. Whether you are a veteran of fiscal frontiers or a novice setting foot on the precipice of your first investment, you belong here with us. With every broadcast, we will delve deeper into the strategies that hedge against inflation, discuss the digital currencies that challenge the fiat systems, and explore emerging markets that promise growth amidst global stagnation. We'll shed light on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing, which seeks not only profit but also positive impact. Let's not overlook the emergent force of retail investors, empowered by technology and united by social platforms. They have shown the capability to move markets, for better or for worse. Their collective actions are a testament to the democratization of finance, yet they also serve as a cautionary tale of the herd mentality that can lead to inflated bubbles and precipitous crashes. Consider the burgeoning field of cryptocurrencies, a digital gold rush of the 21st century. A decade ago, they were the purview of the technologically adept and the speculative adventurers. Today, they're at the forefront of discussions on the future of money. Yet, with high volatility and regulatory crosswinds, these assets are as enigmatic as they are enticing. Our aim is to sift through the noise, to provide balanced perspectives that will help you discern bubble from breakthrough. Moreover, the advent of technologies like blockchain presents both opportunities and challenges. This innovation transcends mere currency, offering a new paradigm for secure, decentralized transactions. Its potential extends to supply chains, voting systems, and beyond, promising to revolutionize industries. At Investing Path, we are dedicated to illuminating these advancements, equipping you with the foresight to harness their potential early on. Finally, we recognize that your journey is personal and unique. Your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline are yours alone. That's why, beyond the global perspective, we'll provide actionable advice tailored to individual scenarios. From retirement planning to college savings, we'll cover a spectrum of personal finance topics to ensure that your strategy aligns with your life's blueprint. Stay connected with Investing Path, where your financial enlightenment is our utmost priority. We'll be here to guide you through the ever-changing world of investment, step by step, decision by decision. Subscribe and like to Investing Path for your weekly beacon of clarity in the often opaque world of finance. Together, we will illuminate your path to prosperity. Thank you, dear investors, for lending your time. Embrace the wisdom of the past, the innovations of the present, and the possibilities of the future. Let's journey together on the path to financial mastery.